5, 4.
Okay, in order to scan in a handwritten work order to attach it to estimate or work order in Service Monster, what you're going to do is go to the menu at the bottom left of the screen. You're going to open it up and click on Scan. And you want to put the handwritten work order on the scanner that's ready to be scanned, and once you've done that, alright, so when loading the work order onto the scanner, you want to open the scanner lid, place it face down in the back left corner. There's a white indicator corner on here to show you where to line it up at. And then you're just going to close the lid and go back to the computer. You'll hit this scan button. It'll take a few seconds to scan it into the computer. Alright, and once it's scanned in, what you're going to do is just click on View. And so now you see you've got the work order pulled up on the computer. Then what you're going to do is click the three dots in the top right corner of this window. And go down to Save As. And then you want to just give the file name something that pertains to the customer and the type of work that it is. I'm going to name this Dad's Carpet Estimate. And you want to save it to the scans folder. So you always want to make sure that it's going to save in this scans folder right here that's underneath this PC, then pictures, then scans. So once you've named the file, just click Save. And then what you want to do is go back to your Service Monster screen underneath the estimate that you're trying to attach the image to. Click on the Images tab. And you're going to click on Choose Files. And then you can search for the file name right here. Oh, let's look under Scans. And so once you have found the estimate, you'll just select it, hit enter, and now it is saved and attached to that work order under the images screen. And if you need to pull it up to look at it, you can just click on the thumbnail there. And that's really all there is to it.